Today we will be discussing a common health issue that many people experience: coughing. Often coughing is a symptom of an underlying condition such as a cold, flu or other allergies. While over-the-counter cough medicines are widely available, some individuals prefer to explore homeopathic remedies. If you are looking for natural alternatives to help alleviate your cough, here are few homeopathic medicines you might want to try. First, Drosera. Drosera can be beneficial for those experiencing a persistent dry cough, especially at night. Second, Bryolia is helpful in relieving coughs that worsen with movement or deep breathing. Lastly, Phosphorus can be effective for individuals with a tickling or hoarse cough, accompanied by burning sensation in the chest. Remember to consult a homeopathic practitioner to find the right remedy for your specific symptom.